Can you honestly say that you are living your life to the fullest? Do you feel like your life has a purpose? Are you enjoying a vibrant life, or are you just going through the motions? Stuck in the same routine, going through your daily tasks without any joy or motivation. Maybe you're just barely surviving, repeating the same task every day like a robot. A lot of us do live that way, but it doesn't have to stay that way. By asking 3 simple questions, we can shift our lives from barely surviving to truly feeling fully alive. Hi, I am Eli Aringay. I am a lawyer, homeschooling dad, EQ advocate, speaker, writer, musician, and a life coach. I want to use this space to share my thoughts on how to intentionally live a meaningful life and help you determine how to find purpose and balance in everything that you do. Life, my friend, is a blessing. Every day we get to wake up is a chance to do something great, something that will help us fulfill our purpose and mission. It's not just about existing, it's about truly feeling alive. But for a lot of people, that's not reality. We might be breathing, moving around, existing, but we can feel weighed down by life's challenges and stuck in a boring routine. You might be getting things done, or you might be achieving success, but that doesn't always mean that you are feeling fulfilled. In this video, I want to share 3 simple questions that can help you determine and reflect where you are right now in your life. Finding answers to this question can help take you from barely surviving to truly living. Question number 1. What brings me joy? Chasing success isn't the ultimate goal. A lot of folks go after money, fame, power, nice job, and stuff because they think that those things will make them happy. But they often find this a mistake. Joy can come from activities or people around you. You may want to ask, who lifts your spirits? Spend more time with them. On the flip side, try to limit your contact with those who drain your energy. You deserve to surround yourself with activities and people that make you happy. So when you find them, make sure to show them some love and attention. Question number 2. How can I grow? If you're feeling a bit blah and lacking motivation, it might be because you've hit a plateau in life. When you stop growing, things can start to feel pretty dull. There's nothing wrong with being good at a few things and doing them repeatedly, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't look for new growth opportunities. Every living thing grows, right? So if you're not growing, you might want to ask if you're still alive. Seriously, not growing can feel like you're just coasting around. So push yourself. Try something new. Tackle on something that is difficult or tough. Those challenges or challenging times or moments usually help us grow the most. Keep that sense of curiosity alive no matter what your age is. Sure, it's fine to want a little stability, but don't forget to keep evolving. Dive into learning something creative, maybe like art or music. Try out a new sport, sign up for that online course, or maybe accept that challenging project at work. Stretch yourself and see what you are capable of. There's a lot of excitement waiting for you in the journey of personal growth. Question number 3. What can I contribute to others and to the world? Life can be pretty boring if all that you do is focus on yourself. We are meant to connect with others, and when you skip out on building meaningful relationships with others, your life would be colorless. To really feel alive, you have to do something for others. Remember, you're not the center of the universe and everything doesn't revolve around you. Being selfish can seriously mess with your happiness, and without leaving a mark by helping others, your life can feel pretty empty. Being alone among billions of people feels like just hanging on. We light up our lives when we connect with others. Many memorable experiences only happen in the context of relationships. To love and be loved. To care and be cared for. To find joy in helping others. These moments only come alive when we connect with others. So think about this. What can you do with the unique skills that you have to make a difference in someone else's life or make the world a better place? I do not possess a definitive answer that is universally acceptable to transform your life from barely surviving to truly living. Nevertheless, in this video, I provided you with 3 profound and reflective questions that can help you do it within the context of your environment and personal circumstances. Again, here are the 3 questions. Number 1, what brings me joy? Identify the activities and the people that brings you joy. It is essential that you spend time and effort into these aspects of your life. Question number 2, how can I grow? Commit to ongoing personal development. A lack of growth can render your life mundane and uninteresting. Question number 3, what can I contribute to others and to the world? Adopting a life of service is integral to leading a meaningful existence. Should you find this video to be beneficial, I would appreciate it if you click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Also, consider sharing this video to others that you know, so that they may also gain insights from the topics that I discussed in this video. I am looking forward to connecting with you on the next video.